So IFTTT. So IFTTT is one of the famous cloud which is used by all the particular developers as well as the resource person for multiple applications. We can use it. Like it is a mediator part of the web service. We won't be able to collect a good server or like a many huge servers or interlinking process. It is very difficult to integrate those APIs. But inside this IFTTT, it is very simple and quickly we can process the data, which makes us very comfortable. And for the trainers or beginners, they are providing that particular free for a limited version. And after that only you will be able to pay. You need to pay for your requirement. Generally, if you are an industrialist or if you are a business person, you can pay and get it. They have that much kind of offers. You will be able to create n number of sheets, and I'm saying in the form of field. So like the field means, so now I have created a field for sheet, Google Sheet. Similarly, I can create a field for Google Assistant. So like that, I can create a field for Facebook linking. So like that, everything we will be able to make it with the help of hardware or without hardware. Everything can be integrated up over here. So here itself we can see what are all the possibilities, but this is not the maximum. This is just a minimum level. If you get into that means we have n number of access. So once when we start regarding this this particular implementation, we will get to know. So today's our task is we have to merge this particular IFTTT with Google Sheet along with our NodeMCU. So it should not be simply acted over there. Here we have also should be entering the sensor data. That is a little bit challenge one. We have to know that particular challenge what we are going to do. So from that particular challenge only today we will be getting to it. So let us start with our practice session, accessing sheet with NodeMCU. So in between we are having some application like IFTTT. So first let us get into our IFTTT. So just to type IFTTT, you can go into that. Log in with your respective account. So here I have logged in with one of the account, whichever I have. Now here we have to create the applet. Okay, so that abbreviation of IFTTT is if this then that. So if this is that particular requirement, after connecting to that, what should be done? That is the simple meaning. There is no like any elaboration at all. The simple meaning of this cloud is if this is enabled, then next what should be connected. If this is enabled, then that should be connected. So here this I am going to select as webhooks. Then in that I am going to select as Google Sheet. So that is the only simple way to create a logic area. So now I'll just click on add. So what and all is present over here means job, about, Agile Octopus. So like this many clouds are there. Amazon Alexa, Android phone call, Android device, Android photos, battery up, Beam, intelligent voice. So it keeps on going. Whatever we won't be able to see anything at the outside. Once we logged in only, we'll be able to just get into it. Honeywell also providing over here. iHome, iOS calendar can be added. Lightwave RF lighting, heating, RF power, eHome. Those are new to this. For your experience only, I'm just showing. I'm not sure whether WhatsApp is available. Let me check that. No, WhatsApp is not provided over here, but Gmail is there. So we have to check in that. So here we are going to select webhooks. So from this, we need to get a request from the web service. So click on this, enter the event name. So event name is, I am collecting the data for IoT master. This will be taken as in the form of a folder inside the IFTTT. Okay, now my particular area is ready. Now let us go for that. Gmail, then what else? WhatsApp here it is also not there. Here we can go for Adafruit, Cloud Drive. All the IoT enabled applications are there. Then LinkedIn. So LinkedIn and all automations. I have already said it, for automation purpose we can use it. So OneNote. Wherever the internet and cloud can be accessed, at any places we will be able to make it. So those who have any ideas or required means, you can just go for this particular IFTTT. I suggest you everyone. Okay, that is due. Sorry, Google Sheet. Now let us go for a trial. And hereby I am taking only one column. Yeah, the same. Let rest of them will be same. Now create action. Click on continue. Now hereby I have to collect the API key. API key collection is very simple. After the creation, go to webhooks, click on documentation. From here we can collect it. Oh, I have closed it. Okay, no problem. Now get back to our code. So here we are having the API key. Okay, so that is the same API key. Now hereby I am just going to upload the code. So before that I will be explaining. Hereby I am including that ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h long I string. All the data will be uploaded in the form of string. Then enable the Wi-Fi client. Comes with maker IFTTT key, because all that particular API keys here will be integrating it with that event. So which event we are going for in that particular creation, it will be done. Okay, then after that all the data will be appended. So like one by one it will be adding it over there. So that particular portion only here it has been done. To get all that particular appendix only here already created in that way. Then therefore once when we are enabling this serial begin 9600, initially the string will be empty. Then contact it is Wi-Fi name and password, Wi-Fi status. Okay, so then after that our client.connect should be maker.ifttt.com. Okay, then we have to go for our event. So what is our event name? I think IoT underscore master. Let us check that. So IoT underscore master only. Okay, and that event is ready. Hereby we are enabling that appending string part, appending each and every data according to the respective IFTTT key. Now here only we will be uploading the data. Initially it is I equal to 0, random values 0, 100, my string equal to I. All the data will be taken in the string. So finally each and every time values into Google Sheet, like that it will be displaying what data means the I value will be sent. Okay, so in this way only here that complete data will be applying over there. Now let us upload the code. 26 has been sent. Now let me go to my drive. So hereby IFTTT maker webhooks IoT underscore master trial. So some random characters are being on the way. We have to filter it. So hereby all the recordings will be there, continuously adding up over there. And there are some errors of sending the data. Okay, let us try changing that. Now into this itself, into this trial itself, we will add the sensor. So till that, let it be disconnected, else raw data will be there. Okay, just I have changed analog read A0 pin mode within bracket A0 as input. Now let us connect our device and upload it. Hereby I am taking an analog sensor. So within this analog, now we have connected. Now let us see our data. So we are getting some random data in there. Let us upload the code once again. So hereby it is not collecting the data from sensor. That is the reason. For some platform to learn embedded C in field. Yeah, in YouTube itself there are many things. So either we have to listen to their class or we have to practice on our own. Yeah, so due to that particular data problem, it is getting issue that sensor. Let us try with any other sensor. And due to that noises, I am not able to get some values over here. But the same way only we will be able to update in towards the system. And now we can see the same thing only here also it is getting updated. If there is no data means it will be in blank. If the sensor is not connected, it is blank. Due to the external noises towards the sensor, this kind of junk values we will be able to get. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.